Hey there, and welcome back to Dragoony's Bites. Today, we're making the best homemade burger buns. Soft, fluffy, golden, and buttery. If you ever wanted to make burger buns from scratch, this easy recipe will show you exactly how, step by step. Let's get started. Into a stand mixer with a dough cook attachment, pour in 22 milliliters of warm milk, add 118 milliliters of warm water, half a beaten egg, 15 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of dry yeast. Mix everything together until combined. This will form the base of your soft, rich dough. Now add 200 grams of bread flour. Mix with 22 grams of plain flour. You might need to add a little more flour, a tablespoon or a teaspoon, depending on your environment or flour type. Mix on medium-low speed until the dough starts to come together. Then add 5 grams of salt and 22 grams of soft room temperature butter. The softened butter blends right in, making the dough smooth, rich, and elastic. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes on medium speed until it's soft, elastic, and slightly sticky. If it feels too wet, sprinkle in a little extra flour, but only a little. It's better to have a slightly sticky dough and handle it with wet or oiled hands than to add too much flour, which can make buns dense instead of light and pillowy. Lightly oil a bowl, place your dough inside, and shape it into a small ball. Cover and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled in size. It usually takes about an hour. This slow rise helps the dough develop that soft, fluffy texture we want. Once risen, gently deflate the dough and divide it into 4 equal pieces. Shape each one into a smooth ball by rolling it gently in a circular motion. Place them on parchment-lined baking tray with space between each. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let them rise again for about an hour until puffy and soft to the touch. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Brush each bun well with a simple egg wash. That's a mixture of beaten egg and a teaspoon of water. This will give them that classic shine and golden color. Sprinkle with sesame seeds if you like. Bake them in the center of the oven for about 14 minutes until they're beautifully golden. If your oven browns unevenly, just turn the tray halfway through. Once golden brown and delicious, transfer the buns to a wire rack to cool. You've just made your own fluffy homemade burger buns that look and taste like they came from a bakery. When you press them and they spring right back, you know they're perfect. All that's left is to fill them with your favorite burger patty and toppings. They'll keep well in a bread bag for a few days, or you can freeze them for later. Just thaw and warm them up when you're ready to enjoy. Comment down below what's your favorite burger combo. For me, it's the classic cheeseburger. If you like this soft burger buns recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes here on Dragoony's Bites. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!